I have some patio pavers that have settled and have become uneven. So in this video, I'm going to pop them up and make them all level again. First thing you're going to want to do is power wash your patio if you need to power wash it to get rid of all the grime and polymer sand between the joints. Then you're going to want to take a screwdriver and pop these blocks out one by one. And if you have a specialized pattern like I do, lay the blocks in a different area in the same order that they're laid where they're currently setting, so that you can easily find the right block to put them back in the right spot. Okay, so I got all the on-level blocks removed, and to tell if the block is out of level or settling the wrong direction, it's helpful to take a level, like a 4-foot level, and just go over the area. And if it's a little low, like an 1/8 inch or something, I don't worry about it. But you know, when you get into the 1/4 inch, that's probably one that needs to be pulled out and re-leveled. So as you can see, I pulled them all out, and then here I have my pattern laid out in the way that they were laying originally, so they're going to be easy to put back. Next, I'm going to take this crushed lime and I'm going to throw it in there and kind of level it off, and then I'm going to set the blocks back in one by one and hit them with a rubber hammer till they're level. So you're going to want to add more crushed gravel than needed, because when you hit the block with a rubber hammer, it's going to settle it and compact the crushed lime so that it'll be less likely to wash out in the future. The most likely cause of this area wanting to settle a little bit is probably when it rains, water wants to come down and flow this direction because I have the patio sloped away from the house like it should be. Then when it reaches this point, the water wants to go down through the block and probably seep out the wall. Not all of it, but some of it. And this most likely caused the blocks to settle a little bit over time. So when I get the fresh lime in there and I get it compacted really well, hopefully that will prevent it from happening again in the future. That's all there is to it. After I was done, I went through and I checked the evenness with the 4-foot level by just spanning across at various angles, just to make sure there wasn't any that was too high or too low. Once you put the polymer sand in, it helps kind of even them out even more, or at least gives them the appearance of being more evened out. And then right here, I chipped this one when I was pounding it in. So be careful when you're getting to the last few bricks, they can get kind of tight. But in the type of paver I have, that's not going to be that big of a deal because that will fill with polymer sand and you won't even notice it because these bricks are the kind that have, you know, the chips on the edges anyway to make them look older and worn than they really are. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks.